Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umar Abab from Pingu's English School and Eureka School System. The date today is 29th June 2020 and we had an online class with Primary 4 today. In today's online class, we have completed the syllabus of English language. So today we gave just a quick review from the beginning of the final term and till date what we have learned. So I just explained in a short review all what we have covered, and in this way the students who had been absent or not attended any class, they also got to know what exercises or what page numbers they have missed, and they whichever questions they had they were asking, and I answered all their queries, all their misunderstandings or the confusions which they had. So this is what we did in English language today. Apart from this, page number 121 was answered today. It was covered. There's an exercise in which they have to do it's an ordering exercise regarding the Mona Lisa theft. There's a story, there's a short paragraph in which they have explained. It's above in the pages previously, so that was explained in the previous classes. And related to that topic, there's an ordering exercise. 10 statements are given and all the statements are jumbled up, so the students basically have to just write 1 to 10 in front of each statement in an ordering manner, like from 1 to 10 which statement comes first and which comes the next. They have to number it accordingly. Apart from that, the homework is they have to do exercise number 5 and 6 of page number 121, and by this the language course of final term will be completed.